alone changed my entire life. Silence is a superpower.
Have you ever looked at yourself and thought, yaar, मैं कितनी changed हो गई?
So, I'm not that girl anymore, not because you wanted, but because life pushed you.
कभी कभी लगता है ना, I should have grown up earlier, but maybe this is
Exactly the version I was meant to become. The girl who does not cry over small things anymore. The girl who does not chase people anymore. The girl who finally understands that growing up is not pretty. It's just necessary. Hey, so I'm Priya and welcome back to your Genius Babe. So today I'm talking about the things I had to stop doing to finally grow up. To finally become the best version of myself I always wanted to be. So stay till the end. So, growing up is not that soft, aesthetic, glow up people show online. It's messy, it's confusing, it's lonely, and most importantly, it's necessary. There was a time when I used to take everything personally. Someone did not text back, I must have done something wrong, someone behaved weirdly, I'm not enough, someone did not choose me, I am unworthy. But the day I stopped taking everything too hard, that's the day I actually started living in peace. So that was the time, because when the truth is that the people act from their own wounds, their own issues, their own insecurity is not always about you. And a maturity is when you finally understand that. Then came another phase where I used to explain myself to everyone, my feelings, my choices, my boundaries, as if I needed permissions to exist, as if my truth needed validation. But ये सब तब change हुआ when I realized the people who genuinely care will understand you in half words, and the people who don't want to understand you. So even if you give them entire speech, so I stopped over explaining. I started living for myself, not for their approval. Slowly, I stopped chasing people too. Earlier, I used to run behind connection, friendship, relations, thinking because effort means value. But no, maturity taught me if you have to back to be in someone's life, you are not in the right place. People who want you will choose you effortlessly. Every single time another things I let go of was reacting to everything, every small comment, every small attitude, every small situation. I used to react instantly. Emotional hurt, confused, but as I grow, I realized silence is a superpower. Pausing before reacting is maturity. Letting small things go in the maturity. Choosing peace over drama is maturity. And trust me, this one habit alone changed my entire life. Then comes the hardest part. So, the hardest part. I stopped expecting people to be like me, to love the way I love, to care the way I care, to show up the way I show up. Because not everyone has the same heart, not everyone has the same capacity, not everyone was raised the way you were. And that's okay. Expectation is the root of half art too. The moment you realize it, you become light. And another thing, I stopped doing overthinking everything. Earlier, I used to create stories in my head, scenarios that did not exist, problems that were not real. I wasted so much time in imagination, worst case situation that I completely ignore the beauty of the present moment. But maturity taught me what's meant for you will never miss you, और जो मिस हो गया वो कभी मीन था ही नहीं. Slowly, I started living more, feeling more, being present more. And the biggest transformation, I stopped abandoning myself, stopped ignoring my feelings, stopped breaking myself to keep others whole. Because maturity is not about becoming serious, it's about becoming self aware. So, it's about choosing yourself without guilt, It's about standing up on your boundaries. So it's about healing your inner child while building your future self. If you are going through this phase, don't rush it, don't fight it, don't avoid it. Let life shape you. Let experience build you. Let silence teach you. Let pain refine you. Because after this phase, you will not recognize yourself in the most beautiful way. So trust me, the version of you that's coming, that she's stronger, she's calmer, she's wiser, and she's unstoppable. Thank you for listening till the end. If this video touched your heart, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, your glow up is not just physical, it's emotional, mental, and spiritual. So this is Priya signing off, but your transformation. So it's just beginning. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And take care. Meet in next video.